Hi guys, so we've been seeing individuals that are interested in buying the Redmi Note 11 Pro but are in doubt upon hearing that it's currently in China ROM. Should you worry on having a China ROM and wait for the global ROM which has no exact date of the release yet, or should you go ahead and buy the China ROM? In this video we'll try to answer those questions and hopefully help you decide. China and global ROM usually have bloatwares. These are third-party apps that are pre-installed on the phone. The only difference is that China ROM has unusable Chinese bloatware apps because it was intended for Chinese users. Because China ROM is intended for Chinese users, the language is Chinese by default. Although you have the option to change the language to English, but it has a minimal Chinese characters in the settings menu. Global ROMs obviously has Google Play Store as its default store for apps, opposite to China ROMs because Google is blocked by the Great Firewall in China. That's why they have their own Chinese app store called Mi Store or Get Apps. But here's the interesting part that users must understand why it's safe and okay to buy the China ROM of Redmi Note 11 Pro. Let's understand that Huawei Google ban is a different story. It is Huawei the brand being banned by Google. Redmi isn't banned by Google, it's just that they don't use Google apps in China. So the info that usually being misunderstood or missed out is that Google Play Store is pre-installed in a Redmi Note 11 Pro. You don't need to download anything, you just need to update the app to the latest version to make it appear on your app drawer. Unlike Huawei, you need to bypass and sideload it yourself and undergo those force close issues. To further understand, pre-installed means installed by the manufacturer itself, while sideloading are installation of an approved app from a third-party source. China ROMs are dubbed as stable ROMs and first to receive latest system updates, simply because the manufacturer and its supports are based in China. China ROMs are produced and launched first by the manufacturer, hence the only available option distributed to other countries. Global ROMs usually comes after a month or a quarter, but depending on manufacturers' market plans, it may take a while or may not release at all. And there you have it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you on the next one. Adios!